Welcome to Kitty for Crafts. I know this is an oddball day for me, but I my my son, as you see in the thumbnail, has done his little haul and bought me something. So I'm going to show you that, and then I'm also going to, and it's just one little canvas, 20 by 30. So something he thought I would like. And then Make Market. I bought a diamond art kit from Michaels. Um, because I'm gonna do the July, um, what is it called? I don't know, the July uh, group thing with Diamond Grandma, and I think it's, that's my dog, oh, actually my son's dog, uh, Feline Love 24, hashtag Feline Love 24. I think that's right. I'll put it in the description below. But I'm going to do that. So I wanted to get this cat picture so I can do it. I normally don't do two at a time, but I think I will be pretty close to being quote unquote finished with the Last Supper. Okay, that's a lie. No, I won't. But we'll see how many colors this has. I don't. Hopefully, it's not a whole bunch because it doesn't say on the box. So I'm gonna do that, and then my mom watches these videos. So hey, mommy. But I'm also going to give it to her because she's getting a cat, and so I'm gonna have this framed up for her and give it to her so she can have this little cat picture. So you'll get to see it, Mom, before you even see it. All right. So that being said, let's do the third party. We'll just go ahead and call it what it is, the TEMU one first. Uh, yeah. So he said he just got the one. I'm like, okay. He goes, so he said it was on clearance, and it was, or whatever he was doing, because he bought some stuff for himself, I guess. It was $1, so he couldn't turn it down. I was like, I ain't gonna lie if I could turn it down either for $1. So I don't know. It looks really cute, but it's teeny. Let's get this clear off. There we go. Okay. So 15 colors, 20 by 30, and doesn't have a name attached to it, but that's what it looks like. Really cute. Probably called something about some poppies. And he knows I love the Wizard of Oz, so I bet his white got it. Cause I mean, well, and then it was $1. So you can't go wrong with $1. Thumbnail that. Let me see if I can do it that way. There we go. As well as the drill field. So you can see that there's the picture, which is actually really pretty. And he knows I do landscapes. And then there's your drill field. So, not too bad. 15 colors, all alphabet in all capital letters. And I know that some people, when they do these third-party companies, look at like things that look alike. And I'm not seeing, especially in like R's and W's, N's and H's. So I don't think it's gonna be too bad. You know, here I go. For $1, I mean, let's just get real. You know, my mom will tell you, you get what you pay for. So I'm gonna straighten this out a little bit. But you know, you're gonna get what you pay for on $1 canvas. Let's not be crazy. So that being said, I think it's gonna be fine. I don't foresee any problems with it. I think it's cute enough that it's, you know, it's $1 painting. There we go. It's actually getting better now. Normally don't do all that, but that one was a little bit more wrinkly than I'm used to. There we go. So here it is. Oh yeah, you can even see it better now too. Look at that. Really cute. Came with your standard kit, like they all do, and I'll put that in the box. And then the colors They look pretty normal. They're just these browns and such. And they have the, so this is one of those ones. Let me see if I can get the thing. So that's the number 11 brown, which is 3371, which I would not mix this with my other 3371s, I can tell you that. I think this is a little bit lighter anyway. But then there is your C as in cat, Z as in zebra 300, which is your same item number on your package. So, but they are DMC colors supposedly, which, you know, I imagine that they're fine. They are. They're, you know, I don't think these companies are that bad off. I just feel like this is a light tan. There you go. I don't feel like these companies are that bad. I just feel like their gem or their drills, there you go, might be a little bit more off than my standard Diamond Art Club, or my other companies that I would use. But cute little snacky snack. Not even a snack. This is a snacky snack size. It's got, I would say, enough color blocking in it to, especially at the top here, with that, this stuff here, the sunset, to make it cute. So it came that way. I think I'm gonna roll it the opposite way. No, I'm not. We're gonna roll it this way. There we go. That's probably better. Yeah, that's better. You know, this will be something that I do way off. Like I say, I actually think he ordered me some more. So I'm gonna be like, Lord, boy, if you don't stay off TEMU, because I try not to get on there a lot. I do get on there, but I buy junk, like things I definitely don't need. Like I bought something for the outside. What was it? Oh, a faucet cover. Like it's summertime, but I got it for this winter, right? But it was only $1. And I went to Lowe's like a couple days ago, and they had their faucet color. Well, no, it was $1 each, so it was $2 because I bought two. I got two hoses. Oh, maybe they was having a sale. I mean, that's why I got my stuff. Maybe that's why he got that. Anywho, but then the next thing I know, I went over to Lowe's to get some junk, and there was like $5 a piece. I'm like, what the what? I don't know, y'all. You know, I don't know. I'm not saying to support. I'm not saying not support. I'm saying do you. That's what I'm saying. That's what I'm saying. Okay, here we go. Make market. Here's kitty cat. It's cute. Okay, I know my mom's going, oh, yeah, okay, Mom, whatever. All right, so let's open her up. Let's see what we got. So I'm going to start this in July. So if you watch me on Shay's live, like I said, I normally don't like doing two. That's not my thing because it's just too much going on, right? But I am going to do this, ooh, Lord, because I want to do the monthly thing with her, with Diamond Grandma, which is, yeah, feline. Okay. Okay, well, there's our drills. They came out. What the what? Here we go. Okay. Okay. So, oh, this is another little snack size. Okay, we just getting all the snack sizes today. Now, you guys are going to get tired of me this week. I did one yesterday for you. This is today's oddball one. And then we'll have one on Saturday like we normally would. Okay. Isn't that adorable? Look at all that color blocking. Bam! But then look at all that confetti. Ugh. Yeah, cute. 33 colors, y'all. Say what? What are we smoking here? Okay, it is, let's see, UST. Okay, first 26, well, duh, Kathy, if you just looked at it. 1 through 26 is the alphabet capitalized, and then Your last 7 are symbols. Yeah, 2, 4, 6, 7. Last 7 are symbols. So that's that. Let's look at the drill field real quick. Those bees look horrible. I'm not gonna lie to you. They look horrible. You can barely see them. And they are, as we were just talking about yesterday, was I said we talked about it, but or whatever day it was, it has training wheels on it. I'm going to do this one like this too. Yeah, some of these are just kind of funky today. Okay, I'm going to say to you that I don't know. Am I happy with this? I mean, it's a small kit. It's supposed to be a 20 by 20 centimeter, 20.3, so with an 8 by 8. So let's go ahead and get this out and measure our drill field. And our drill field literally is 8 by 8. Yeah. So if I go 0, yeah, 20.3, and it's a perfect square, so it should be 20.3. So there you go. Now, Make Market doesn't have any of theirs done by DMC. These are just going to be 1 is A, 2 is B, 26 is Z, right? So that's what this is. We'll look at the colors. The kit came with instructions on how to diamond paint. So if you're brand new to this, this one looks very beginner friendly. So that's nice. It comes with a squishy, the little baggie. So it comes with the pen, the squishy, the baggie. Let me turn this one off for a sec. There you go. The squishy, the pen, the baggie, the wax, and a boat. That's what it comes with, and that's all that's in here. There's nothing else in here. There's no extra pins, no nothing. Let me double check that. I don't see no extra pins or tops. Nope, so this is a single placer kit. Okay, so this goes in the box in case someone wants it. I'll probably take the wax out though. Okay, our colors, I'll just show you the back of them. So, not too bad. It's going to be very vibrant in colors. A lot of nice colors in here. Yeah, well, you know. And I think if you Google Maker's Mark, Make Market, I always want to call it Maker's Mark like it's a drink. Make Market, you might be able to find a conversion code for it. 2 bags of number 2, which is B, which it looks like 310. Okay, there's that. And then your last one here are all these pinks and like tans. Purples. Blues. And there. So, what I'm going to say to you is, is it cute? Yes. It's for my mom, so she'll like it because she cray. And then I'll frame it up for her. But back came out really nice. There's no wrinkles or nothing in it. But that being said, I just wanted to get on here and give you that little bit real quick. Nothing big, just the 2 little things I've got. You'll have a video tomorrow because, it's Saturday and you're supposed to have a video. So this week was a week. Normally you only get 2, but I just wanted to put those 2 out because I had them. All right, you guys be safe, be cool, keep on diamond painting, and I'll look for y'all. I'll see you tomorrow. Okay, bye.